guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. This is my mama. She's visiting me for my birthday week. Actually, today's my birthday, April 25th. I know I won't get this video out this week, but anyways, they came all the way down here to wish me a happy birthday. And
from Kentucky.
From Kentucky, and I am celebrating a whole birthday week, aren't I, Mom?
That's right.
And I'm loving it. I've never done this before. I never even took off on my birthday, and I'm having a whole birthday week. I drank every day, had a couple cocktails. I am just having a ball. And so my mom's going to be here and help me plant. So we are going to bring these two baskets right here. They're hanging on my shepherd's hook that my husband made for me. We're going to bring this big bright pop of color. So this is the Super Beana Raspberry right there. Super Beana Raspberry, and look how pretty that is. Look, 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 look. And to pair with it, we have Super Bell's Cherry Star right there. Let me show you that tag. Right there. Look. Look how pretty they are together. Isn't this gonna be like, what do you think, Mom?
Beautiful.
So, like, I don't know. It just, does it not put a smile on your face? Does it not bring you joy? What else does it do, Mama? What else can you think? I don't know. Just gorgeous, 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 gorgeous.
Happiness?
Happiness, yeah, my mom said happiness. So I got 2 of these for each container and 2 of these. So 2 and 2, and I got 2 containers back here. Now I did run out of my Proven Winter soil and my Espoma soil. So from Lowe's, I got a Kellogg's organic soil. Have you guys ever used this? I don't know. This is my first time, so we're gonna see how it does, but it's supposed to be an organic potting soil. So we're gonna get the soil in here. I did have this grass already in there from this past fall, so that's what these colors are going to look like. So this is going to give me my height, this is going to give me my color, and we have it on drip, and it's going to be so pretty. So come plant with me. So I already have my cocoa liner in here. I have a little bit of dirt that I had from before. I'm going to move my drip away so it's up out of the way, and then I'm going to fill this completely with soil. Oh, I can get it up here. Okay. My mama is assisting me here. I need my husband for this. I don't care if any of this falls to the ground at all. So the same grass that I had prior that I planted up in the fall with all my pansies, we're gonna put this right in the middle. Some of the soil moved away. And before I do this, I always forget, like, I need to go get my Espoma Biotone in here and some of my continuous release. So I'll be right back. Let me go get that. So this is my Biotone. This is going to help our roots. It promotes bigger blooms, roots for planting flowers, trees, shrubs, and vegetables. Believe in this. I never skip this step. So I'm going to put some of this in there. And then I'm also going to put premium continuous release plant food in there as well. I'll hold that, Mom. This is the stinky stuff. Might as well just empty that bag.
Ooh, it is stinky. It is stinky.
It is stinky.
Ooh.
Does this bring you back on the farm, Mom?
Yep.
So, you know, I lived on the farm for many, many years. How old was I, Mom, when I moved to the farm?
2.
I was 2 years old? Well, Angie was born,
3.
right?
Yeah, Angie was born, so it's 3.
So I was 5. I was 5 years old, do you think? Angie
3
was
years
2?
difference, isn't it?
Yeah, but Angie lived there too, right? Was she a baby?
She was about a year old, maybe. Almost.
Okay.
She was 1 year old.
All right, so I was 4, say 4 or 5. 4 or 5 years old, we moved to the farm and we did tobacco, vegetables. We had a big old vegetable farm, didn't we?
Pigs.
Yeah, we had hog farm, which I remember when I was really little that we had to hold them. My dad did some not so nice things. I'm gonna save you the gory detail that we had to do on the farm. Let me have that, Mom. So we lived there until I left college, right? Mom, we raised tobacco until I left the farm. And then you guys stayed there. You just moved not even, how long you been in this first house?
About 4 years ago.
My dad got tired. He wanted to retire. He just wants to golf. Bless his heart. So he's got about, 8 to 10 guys that he golfs with every single day. So that's what he does now. He didn't really want to mess with the farm anymore. So they sold it and downsized, and they don't have to take care of 22 acres anymore.
Right.
But who would have known, now if I had a farm, I would do a flower farm. Isn't that funny? And I married a city boy, and I said I was never ever going to marry anybody that wanted to have a farm because I hated it that much. But now I want to go back to my roots. It's so funny. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put whatever on the opposites. If I put a super beana here and a super beana there, and then the opposite super bell. So that's what I'm going to do. Flip over on your Mom. Can't get it down in there. Let me just take some of the soil off. If you're putting this in good soil, you can take some of the soil off like I did right here. Get it down in there. All right, and then super bells in the front. Let's take some of that off right there. If you have a deep container, then you can go ahead and plant them in like this. But since my soil's not deep right here, just push that in there. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty when that fills out. Look at that. Look at it. So I'll have to share you some of my hobbies that my mom, she's got several hobbies, and she gave me for my birthday a gorgeous gardening quilt. And I'm going to share that with you guys because I just got it today. She worked on it for a whole year. Solid year, didn't you, Mom?
Almost. Yeah.
And she saw it. My Aunt Deanna does quilting, and she's like, Pat, don't you want a quilt? And Mom's like, no. So anyways, then she saw this that my Aunt Deanna was doing, and she's like, oh my gosh,
That's Kim.
that is Kim. So my mom, of course, she asked me if I liked it first, and I was like, yeah.
I had 2 that she could choose from, and she said I like them both, but she said that the garden one is hers.
Yeah. So, but I didn't want to ask her and say, yeah, because that was a lot of commitment and time for her, but I'm going to cherish this forever, you guys. I will never, ever get rid of this, and it could be passed on down to my kids, and then grandkids. Who knows how long, this is going to stay in the family.
So actually, we just did the quilt top, and then we had a quilter to quilt it. And the quilter that did this quilt is she directs the quilt, the sewing around everything, so that makes it kind of puff up a little bit, and
gives it like a 3D kind of.
Yeah, and you can look at this and be in awe everything that you look at. She said that when she first when she first starts, she has no idea what she's going to do, but she is so good at it that she, you know, it's just remarkable. Let's see.
All right, this is happy birthday to Kim from her mama.
Come on in here, Mom.
Yeah, go over there.
Over here. Over there.
Yeah, we're going to have to.
She knows what it is, but she hasn't seen it, is what I've heard.
I have not. I've just seen like a
Picture, maybe.
picture. Yeah.
So that's the background.
That's
The backing. That's the backing.
Oh. Gosh.
So it's kind of neat. It's called flea market material. So it's like flea market stuff. Winter, January. Yeah, it's kind of.
Yeah. Oh wow, it's big.
Okay, let me figure out how it goes. Okay, this goes here.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh wow. Love it.
So these gave me fits. You had to do 26, and I probably did 28. And you would think that by the time I got with the last one, there wouldn't be any problem, but every one of them gave me fits.
I love it. Look, garden.
So there's her fence. Chickens. There's a girl with a watering can.
So
Hollyhocks. Hollyhocks, yeah.
We were at the botanical garden today.
Here came the wheelbarrow with the pumpkins.
What's the bees?
The bumblebees,
The garden sign.
the garden
Yeah,
tools.
like that.
Yeah.
He's got buttons on the peas.
Please, can you put it out a little bit more, Tim? Yeah, but that's supposed to be fruit
Okay.
basket.
That is a labor of love right
Yeah.
there. Oh, look at that.
We'll always have this. Always. We'll stay in the family. Little doorknob.
Yeah.
Happy 55th birthday, Kim.
Love it.
You know what the quilting part of it.
So we all have talents. We all have to use our talents. We all have different talents too.
I think kind of think that maybe my mom, her grandma, might have something to do with this. She worked at a sewing factory, and people would bring her a little slip of this, a little slip of that, where she would put it in the yard. Of course, my dad ended up probably mowing a lot of it down, but somebody was saying that's remarkable how that little slip, you know, ended up, you know, what it was.
So my mom always told me, and I remember my grandma always having like lots of flowers, but my mom said that she could always she was good at propagating and that she could just put it anywhere and it would just grow. Right, Mom? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
And her name was Rosie, so I always think of my
Have
roses.
we got forward?
Yep. I got four. So whenever I see my roses, I do think of my grandma too.
Yeah.
She said my Aunt Deanna has a peony that my grandmother had. I would love to be able to get a piece of that and have that growing in my garden.
I wish I thought about that.
Yeah.
To bring it today or this week.
Right. All right, I'll take that one. So this is the Super Bina raspberry. It doesn't get very tall, 6 to 12 inches. And let me see if it's going to be, it's an annual except zones 8A to 11B. So I might be able to get another flush out of this, Mom. Like, I'll leave it in there and see if I do. I know sometimes I like to put pansies though, but I can always take it out and put it in the garden and see if it'll come back. So I want to plant it up the exact same way I did this one. So I had a verbena in the front. I'll do a verbena up here. Get it all tucked down in there. Super bells. Where's my other verbena, Mama? Do I not have another one? I'll have to go up there and look. Maybe I don't. Maybe I've lost my mind and didn't. That's a verbena. I don't have another super bells. Seem to be missing
This is the same as that.
a plant. Aren't I, Mom?
What?
I said I seem to be missing a plant. Right?
Can turn
Well,
over.
we'll go
didn't
on a
it?
witch hunt in a little bit and see if I put it somewhere else. Or I could stop by and pick up another one. Super Bells Cherry Star is what I need.
How cute.
Well, we'll find it. We'll seem to find it. If not, we'll go grab another one at the nursery, since I'm always at the nursery. Can't seem to get it deep enough. So this is going to be just a quick little video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this big bright pop of color right here brings you some joy, and I hope you enjoyed the little conversation with my mama and meet my mom. And I'm going to show you that quilt. It is so pretty. And Mom, thank you so much. Like, I love it.
You're welcome.
It's like the best birthday present that I could have gotten. Thank you so much. I love you.
Love you.
All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends. What's your favorite part about that quilt, Mama? What's your favorite one?
Part of it?
Favorite part of the quilt? Like anything on that piece of quilt that you thought was your favorite?
I think the wheelbarrow with the
Wheelbarrow.
pumpkins.
I love it all. Flowers are so pretty. I have a what? A permanent garden?
A permanent garden.
Let's see. They're all inside, right? Look at this. I was kind of surprised. I didn't expect it because you didn't tell me that she had it done.
Yeah.
How long has it been done? How long have you had to hang it?
In a world of green, just like a dream, you